This is a celebration for International Women in Engineering Day, and I'm part of the committee working throughout the year for this event, planning various activities for students and professionals. Today I work with the team of SheCanEngineer, helping the volunteers running the workshops and really following the students and the teachers throughout the day with all of our activities.
Today we've been doing loads of interesting things. We've been getting involved in workshops and listening to some really inspiring women talking about their jobs as engineers. It really opened up my eyes as to how many different areas there are of engineering. I think that today has helped me decide that I would really like to do something in engineering in the future, because it's just been so amazing to see all the different types of engineering, and it's just such a broad type of job, and I've just really enjoyed it.
Coming back to live events after 2 years of pandemic, especially with students and seeing them so enthusiastic and so happy about a career in engineering and seeing them also discovering different fields of engineering was really rewarding. So it was really a great day for everyone, for the students and the volunteers.